People believe the Assetinians originated from an old French word, asset, which is the plural word for acquest, meaning acquisition or something acquired. Asset itself comes from an old Latin word, capri, meaning to take, which over time into ascentrium in medieval Latin, which refers to goods or property that one has acquired. Over time, the spelling and pronunciation of this word evolved into asset in English. By definition, an asset is a resource, a machinery, or money owned and controlled by an individual or corporation or a country with the expectation that it will provide a future benefit financially. But let me keep it very simple for you. Assets are stuff, things that we own that brings money into our pockets. This could be either tangible, which means physical, or intangible, which means non-physical.